Join me as I take on the challenge of creating 3 fast-selling woodworking projects that could actually make me some cash. Woodworking projects are a fantastic way for creatives to make some extra money, and if you're a woodworker, you know that being able to create something with your own 2 hands is incredibly rewarding. But what if I told you there are certain projects out there that can bring in some serious cash, and fast? That's what we're going to dive into today, the world of fast-selling woodworking projects that can pad your wallet. As woodworkers, we've all been there, scouring the internet for inspiration, trying to figure out what projects will actually sell. But the truth is, finding profitable projects can be tough, especially in today's market. There's so much competition out there, and it can be hard to stand out from the crowd. Not to mention the cost of materials, the time it takes to create each piece, and the uncertainty of whether or not it'll even sell. It's enough to make you want to hang up your woodworking hat for good. But don't worry, I'm here to help you overcome those challenges. One of the biggest obstacles woodworkers face is finding a project that resonates with customers. You might have the best craftsmanship in the world, but if your project isn't appealing to the right people, it's going to collect dust. Another issue is pricing. If you price your project too high, you'll scare off potential buyers, but if you price it too low, you'll end up losing money. And let's not forget about the marketing aspect. How do you even get your project in front of the right people in the first place? But despite these challenges, many woodworkers have found success with certain projects that seem to fly off the shelves. So, what are these magic projects, and how can you get in on the action? One project that consistently sells well is custom cutting boards. They're easy to make, and with the right wood and design, they can be incredibly visually appealing. Plus, they're practical. Who doesn't need a cutting board in their kitchen? You can sell these for anywhere from $50 to $100 or more, depending on the size and quality of the board. Another project that does well is wooden decor signs. These can be customized with names, initials, or even fun quotes, making them a great option for gifts or personal decor. You can sell these for $20 to $50 or more, depending on the size and complexity of the design. And finally, wooden planters are always in demand. They're great for indoor or outdoor use, and can be customized to fit any style or decor. You can sell these for $30 to $75 or more, depending on the size and quality of the planter. But one project stands out from the rest: customized wooden phone cases. These are incredibly popular, and for good reason. They're unique, functional, and make a great conversation starter. With the right design and marketing, you can sell these for $50 to $100 or more per case. I've seen woodworkers who have dedicated themselves to creating these cases, and their success stories are truly inspiring. One woodworker I know was able to make over $1,000 in a single weekend selling customized phone cases at a local craft fair. Another was able to quit their day job and focus on woodworking full-time, thanks to the success of their phone case business. As you can see, the potential for making money with woodworking is vast, and it's not just about creating something that looks nice. It's about creating something that solves a problem, or brings joy to someone's life. And with the right project, you can tap into that potential and start bringing in some serious cash. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are some of your favorite woodworking projects to sell, and how have you found success with them? And if you want more tips on making money with woodworking, be sure to check out my next video for some additional inspiration.